Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this video for the Delonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we give it a tuner, replacing the brew unit that you see right here, deep cleaning everything inside, relubricating the transmission and de-skinning the machine as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out. We have already beans in here, we're going to be grinding them at the 4th setting and we're going to be doing an espresso shot. After that we're going to be using the steam and then the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent volume as well. And good crema on top as well. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. We also did clean this one as well, as it was full of milk. So we end up cleaning and polishing everything. As you can see, this is a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Working excellent. Now we're going to do steam. It's going to take a little bit for the block to reach temperature, and then after it reaches a certain temperature, we're going to see steam coming out through the one. The water pump, as you can see, is pulsing and is pushing water into the thermal block, and as the thermal block is heating up, you can see an increase the pressure from the one, and as you can see, nice steady steam going after the machine, excellent pressure, amazing temperature. So there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.